Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Recruitment from Dell Technologies is out for the 2019 batch. Software engineer IT position. Okay, so Bangalore is the job location. This is posted on 20 May 2021. If you want to apply, you can apply from here. They have mentioned overview. We believe the progress lives at the, you can read this once. Then success profile, analytical, communicator, conceptual, intentive, then problem solver, result driven. Responsibilities: once you join Dell company, what will be your roles and responsibilities as a software IT engineer? Okay, this is for 2019 batch. Okay, so Dell IT overview. Dell information about Dell company. Then business unit, that is the IT department information is mentioned here. Then eligibility criteria: qualification, graduate, postgraduate in engineering. Graduate and postgraduate candidates can apply in engineering. Percentage: marks 60% and above, SSLC, PUC or degree. Okay, minimum 60% you should have. Age limit: date of birth 1997 and above. Year of passing 2019. Key responsibilities: what will be your responsibilities? Analyze requirement and derive solution. Develop software code to meet business requirements. Review technical artifacts to meet industry standards. Ability to dissect the structure of complex UI page and UI themes. Ability to develop responsive in web development, adaptive design when it's needed, using Twitter, Bootstrap and components. Create POCs for reusable web components. Migrate, refactor existing to latest UI technology. Then experience in understanding of SEO best practices, ensuring performance, scalability and optimization of complex web application. IT experience 0 to 1 years. If you are having suppose experience in 6 months, that is also good. If you are a fresher, no worry, you can still apply. Okay, then technical requirements: C#, Python with a good knowledge of its ecosystem, .NET framework, .NET core fundamentals. If you have done certification in .NET or C# or Python, that is a plus point. Good knowledge of cloud architecture and deployment is preferable. Good knowledge of designing, implementing reusable components, C#, rather than Knockout, then Angular would be useful. Knowledge in code versioning tools, Git. Okay, then hands-on experience with HTML5, CSS, object-oriented JavaScript programming language is desirable. Knowledge in database designing principle, query tuning in SQL Server 2016, 17 and 19. Knowledge of JavaScript, Angular JS, then jQuery, Node.js, TypeScript. All these technical requirements. Other requirements: familiarity with Agile and Scrum development. If you crack your test and when they call or send you mail for the interview, then during interview or before attending interview, search about these methodologies, Agile and Scrum methodologies and software development life cycle. Study about the SDLC and STLC, then Agile and Scrum development methodologies. Read this before your interview. Okay, Scrum Master certification is plus. They have mentioned here Scrum Master certification is a plus point. Experience in .NET Core or Pivotal Cloud would be an advantage. Benefits: we offer highly competitive salary, bonus program, world-class benefits and unparalleled growth and development opportunities, all to create a compelling and rewarding work environment. Okay, then they have mentioned some information. Okay, application closing date is 18 June 2021. Application closing date is 18 June 2021. Then job family: software engineer, IT engineering, software engineering. Okay, so this is for fresher 2019 batch and it will close, this application link will close on 18 June. So don't waste any time, directly apply. You will get the link in the description box below. Okay, and thanks for watching this video.